Your Android has hidden power, but 99% of users never activate this. Enable this 10 powerful setting right now. And the last one is mentioned by cybersecurity expert. So go to your phone home screen and tap on setting. Now scroll down and find out safety and emergency. Tap on here. Tap on emergency SOS. Tap on call for help, and in this box please enter your national emergency number. If you feel unsafe and happen any accidental event or need any medical emergency, then press your power button quickly 5 times or more. Then your phone will automatically call your local emergency service. So this setting is very important to enable. Now see the option emergency location service. Go to there and turn on emergency location service, because when you call or text an emergency number, your device may automatically send its location and other critical information to emergency respondent. So enable this. Now go back and go to earthquake alert. This feature is very important because you will get an alert with the initial estimated magnitude and distance from your location. So enable earthquake alert. Now go back and go to Google. Tap on all service. Scroll down and find out uses and diagnostic. Tap on here. Now uses and diagnostic feature turn on, because uses and diagnostic setting can help you to improve your battery life, system and app stability and other improvement. So you should enable uses and diagnostic feature always. Now scroll down and see the setting find my device. Tap on here. Enable find my device, because if you lose the device or any connected fast pair accessories, you can use find my device to locate them. So you should turn on find my device. This feature also help you to find out your stolen or lost device. So go back and go to sensitive content warning. This setting is very important because incoming photos are blurred in Google Messages and it can delete it before viewing. So enable this setting. And now go back, go to thief protection. This setting is very important for you because the screen will lock if this setting detects that someone took your device and ran away. So enable this setting right now. Go back and see the next setting. Go to unknown tracker alert. This setting is very important because it can scanning the tracker near you. When alert is on, you will get a notification if an unknown tracker is detected traveling with you. So unknown tracker alert enable right now. Now go back and see the next setting. Scroll down and find out location accuracy. Tap on here and you make sure your improved location accuracy is enabled on your phone. When location accuracy is on, information about wireless signal such as Wi-Fi, access point, cellular network tower and GPS along with device sensor data. So it also helps to establish your wireless connection. And now I tell you the most important things. So go back to your home screen and go to your Play Store. Tap on profile icon. Now see the option Play Protect. Go to there. And this feature is also very important because for your security, turn on Play Protect to check apps from outside the Play Store. Play apps are automatically scanned. This feature regularly check your apps and device for harmful behavior. You will be notified of any security risks found. So make sure your Google Play Protect is always enabled. So turn on Google Play Protect. So viewer, tell me what setting was turned off on your device.